Hey, it's Misa with OCDetailing, and today we have two Model X's, and they are stunting two of ULTRAFIT's color shifting wraps. Here we've got Aurora Magenta, and over here we've got Aurora Silver. So, as you can see, we are covering every color of the rainbow, and if you follow me just doing a quick walk around these vehicles, you're gonna see every single color, every different hue, and you're gonna watch this color change in action. So, I don't know what you're seeing right now. Right now I'm seeing some blue, I'm seeing some purple, some pink, and a little bit of turquoise, some green, who knows. Even this magenta, from certain angles you even get colors like yellow, a little bit of orange, a little red. And making our way over to the XP Aurora Silver, first you're hit with that silver that it's named after, and then as you keep coming, you're going to get a lot of those blues and those greens. Super, super cool wrap. It's always so cool to watch this in action. This is actually Joe's wife's car, so she's gonna be stunting around with this. It's gonna be a really big statement piece, and she's really, really excited to be able to drive it. So yeah, if you're looking for a color change wrap to spice up your life, spice up your Model X or maybe a different vehicle, then stop on by and we've got you covered.